In a couple of days, it's supposed to get to single digits, and it's supposed to snow like 9 inches, so I need to winterize the rabbit coop. All I'm using for this is feed sacks that I cut so that they'll lay flat, and then I cut out the size that I need. I don't cover up the hinges, and here at the bottom there's a gap, so I leave a little extra, but I don't staple down here so you can still open the door. Same with this door. Leave extra, but don't staple it so you can still open the door. It's not pretty, but it'll keep the wind out. I also add corn to the rabbits' food when it's going to be really cold. They really love their corn. The next thing on my list is to cover up the chicken coop windows. All these are those plastic roof panels that have been cut to size, and once you cut them, you can use them over and over. These are probably 20 years old, and in the spring I'll just take them off and store them in the barn till next winter. I also have one that fits on the door, and there's a little vent area at the top so that they can get ventilation. We ended up getting about 9 inches of snow, and on top of that we had a little bit of ice too. All of the girls are doing good. They're all staying warm and fat and healthy. The brown one down there, Hazel, she's the first one due. She's due March 5th, and she's one of the goats that I milk, so I need to start retraining her to the milk stand soon. When I fill up the bird feeders, it takes about 10 pounds of food, and they can eat it in one day. I usually make them wait 3 days in between because there's some seeds that they just knock out on the ground, and after the second and third day they will go back and eat that.